Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok dark mode options not showing. So this is a new feature where you can turn your TikTok into a dark mode like this, like I do. So you can find it easily by clicking on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Then in here, go to the settings and privacy and scroll down and you'll easily find display. So in here there is light and dark mode, but if you cannot find it in here or the option not showing, then what you need to do is clear the cache of the TikTok app. So just long press on the TikTok apps in the home screen, then click on the app info, go to the storage and cache, then clearing the cache. So that's the first options. Or you can also find the TikTok apps on the Google Play Store and find and see if it needs update or if you are on the latest version of TikTok. And then the next option is you can just uninstall the app first and then reinstall it again to see if the option, the dark mode option, is now showing. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.